Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a quick jerk chicken breast using the new Comfee oven. This one is super easy to put together and it's absolutely amazing, moist and juicy when it was done. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you all how easy it is to make. I'm starting with 2 pieces of chicken breast and I'm seasoning lightly with kosher salt. And I'm using some annatto or ruku powder here. Now I'm going to go in with some dry jerk seasoning. This dry jerk seasoning is absolutely amazing. So I'll go in there with 1 tablespoon and a drizzle of avocado oil. Now we're going to massage the seasonings into the chicken. You can allow it to marinate overnight or a few hours. But I actually did this right away, and when I tell you the flavors went through and through that chicken, it was absolutely delicious. So this goes skin side up into the oven. But let me show you what it comes with. It comes with this air fryer rack, so you can do fries and other items. It comes with a regular rack. It does have a baking tray, and also you'll get your crumb tray. So I'm going to place the chicken in skin side up, and I'm going to set this to bake. It's very easy to use, and it also comes with a cookbook, which is quite handy if you're not sure what to make. So by putting on the power button and then using the function button to select rapid bake 350, and I did that for half an hour. So once it's finished baking, it will start to count down, and here you'll see that 3, 2, 1, and it's done. I'm going to show you guys what it looked like. But I did not cut this right away. I allowed it to rest. And no, I don't have a video with it cutting into it because everyone was so hungry when it was ready to be eaten. But I promise you, it was one of the most delicious jerk chicken breasts or recipes I've done. So I hope you guys check my description box for the link to this amazing product.